Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Island token. Now, name of the token is Island, ticker symbol is also Island, and this is from a project called Nifty Island. And this token just got at least a couple very big central exchange listings starting today, December 17th, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Nifty Island is building Web3's gaming layer, an open gaming platform powered by user-generated content where NFTs, meme coins, and Web3 communities can play, create, and earn rewards. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. As usual, you'll see it's a very big project, 109,600 Twitter followers at Nifty_Island. Has a link to their Discord right there, a link to their webpage, gold verified checkmark, 13,300 tweets. And this token just got listed today, December 17th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Island, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says where communities play, and then you could join the Discord here, and that's a great place to chat with other community members about the project. So it says Nifty Island's native utility token positioned at the intersection of social, gaming, and NFTs. The Island token, ticker symbol Island, is the native utility token and governance token that powers the Nifty Island ecosystem and the creator economy. Designed as a finite commodity, the Island token allocates limited and exclusive platform resources, enabling users to enhance their gameplay experience, creative limits, and earnings within the Nifty Island ecosystem. Think of it as a scarce commodity that grants its holders access to playing, earning, and shaping Nifty Island by democratizing some control and access to Nifty Island through immutable on-chain property rights. Island helps cement our ecosystem's role as an open gaming public good for every community, creator, and player to leverage it as they see fit. At its core, Nifty Island is a user-generated content gaming platform that is designed to be fun and engaging through a vibrant creator economy. Now, the Island token serves as dual purpose, unlocking greater access to play, create, and monetize within the creator economy, and serving as a reward for players and creators who actively participate on the platform. Now, the Island tokens are awarded to those who engage within the platform either by playing or creating content. Island token is omni-chain and built on Layer 0's OFT standard. It is able to be bridged to all chains supported by Layer 0 protocol. Currently, utility and earning for Island tokens on the platform will be supported by both ETH and Base. So, it says here, the vision and purpose behind Island tokens should enhance the relationship between the platform and the community that uses it. Too many tokens are slapped on additions to products and feel totally unrelated to the core experience of using the protocol, playing a game, or interacting with a given community. Island Token is an attempt to do things differently. Deep platform utility and the ability to shape the Nifty Island enables Island Token to strengthen the relationship between our game world and the community of players that makes it great. Island Token holders will be in a unique position to help the Nifty Island grow and prosper. The recommendations and contributions will disproportionately shape the game world's future. To hold Island Token is to be a part of Nifty Island's evolution. Now, if the token is successful, it should achieve the following. Number one, holders should feel more connected to the game and more aligned with its growth. Number two, it should grant players an enhanced ability to shape Nifty Island, both in terms of content that players encounter, as well as future development. Now, the distribution of the island in the form of rewards should spur the creation of more user-generated content and usage. Now, the token utility, deep platform-wide utility meets staking meets Web3's leading game world. Island Token's utility is unlocked through staking by depositing tokens into a smart contract where players are granted access to a host of platform-wide abilities and benefits in accordance to how much they stake. The amount of Island Tokens a player stakes scales players' benefits. Some token-related perks unlock specific staking thresholds, while others scale incrementally with staked tokens. Island Token staking is supported by both Ethereum and Base. Holding and staking Island Tokens grants the players a host of new powers within the Nifty Island ecosystem aimed at enhancing players' abilities to participate in the Nifty creator economy and shape the future of the platform. These core utilities are described at a high level, and you could read that on their document section, which you could find on their webpage, niftyisland.com. It'll take you over to guide.niftyisland.com. Island stakers will enjoy increased earning power, allowing them to earn Island Tokens at a faster rate through active play and participation. Creators and artists who stake Island Tokens can access greater platform resources, allowing the creation of larger, more immersive islands and more activities to participate in. Island stakers will enjoy exclusive access to special events, prizes, and content. Island stakers will earn consumables. And yeah, so there's, tons of stuff that you can earn by staking tokens. Now they have NFTs involved. There's the Legends NFTs, and those have their own purpose as well. And you can check out how to earn. They have a roadmap. The NFTs, they have legendary palms that you could, palm trees that you could get as well. And and then the token here, there's the play to airdrop campaign. There's the play to earn system. And it is capped here at 1 billion total supply. And you can check this token out as of today on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.